Are you looking for a property more than 500 square feet, less than 450,000 in Queenstown area? Here is it. Let's check it out. Conveniently located just 3 minutes walk to Commonwealth MRT, Sheng Siong Supermarket, Koufu and Tanglin Hot Food Centre plus the wet market, Block 51 Commonwealth Drive will be an ideal choice for you and your family. This HDB 2-room flat corner, 505 square feet, is readily available, open to all races. Panoramic view above 14th floor facing northwest is super windy, where you will enjoy cross-air ventilation. You will be able to get natural sunlight streaming in. The full-height window complements the squarish and efficient layout, which contributes to the spacious feel in the living and dining area. The bedroom can easily fit a queen-size bed with full-height built-in wardrobe that can store many personal items. The kitchen is well-equipped, clean and well-maintained, and the upper and lower kitchen cabinet provide all your storage needs. Everything is well-maintained and moving condition that helps in saving you the hassle and time to renovate. Commonwealth Drive located just outside City Fringe with direct buses to Orchard and CBD area. If you prefer to visit hip cafes and restaurants, that is just a few bus stops away to Holland Village, the Star Vista, Anchor Point, and IKEA Alexandra. Wait no more, come and see it for yourself. Contact me for an exclusive viewing. This is IBU from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.